ourValues Gold has all the features of ourValues Lite, but it also links your child's screen time to activities and behaviours. Your child maintains, earns, or loses screen time depending on whether they complete responsibilities you assign to them. ourValues Gold automatically applies screen time adjustments after you mark off your child's weekly scoreboard. To do this, tap Responsibilities Completed from the centre of your child's dashboard. The hollow ovies and dots you see are the result of a child's optional self-assessment. An ovie represents a completed responsibility, while a dot represents a responsibility not completed. A blank box means the responsibility has not been assessed. You can mark off your child's scoreboard by continuing to tap on each of the responsibilities until the scoreboard is filled with solid ovies and dots. Alternatively, if you agree with your child's self-assessment, you can tap the handshake button at the bottom of the screen. Once done, tap the checkered ovie button at the bottom left of the screen to see the resulting changes to daily screen time allowances and confirm the change. You can see at the bottom of the dashboard that today's allowance and time left have been reduced by 15 minutes, which is the resulting reduction in time. You can add and remove responsibilities by tapping the settings cog on the top right corner of your child's dashboard and selecting responsibilities. Screen time bonuses and deductions can be changed by selecting Bonus and Deduction from the menu. The time bonus is applied when children complete all weekly responsibilities, and the deduction when they are not all completed. ourValues Gold also provides you with a report detailing the apps your child has been using and for how long. The report is emailed to you each Sunday. For more information, check out the ourValues report video.